What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to connect the Claude with the OneNote and how to use it. So for that, the process is going to be very easy. Stick to the video till the end to get to know about it. This is the Claude application. You guys can hook it up on the web application or download it, the desktop application. The links to it is in the description. Go to the add connector and then go to the browse connector option. Once you're in the browse connector option, over here you will see that there's a bunch of things that you guys can pull up. One of them is Microsoft 360, which is actually very popular. Over here, if you guys look up, it has Access, SharePoint, OneDrive, Outlook, Team directly in the cloud. So if you guys want to hook that up, OneDrive, OneNote, all these things are included inside of it. These are the tools that are mentioned. So if you want to connect it, just go ahead and click on this link, or you guys can copy the link, go here and drop the link. So you guys will be able to simply log in with account of your Microsoft 360. Thus, you will be able to connect it directly by clicking on connect option. So it's now relaunching a tab which will redirect itself to a new page where you just have to authenticate your account. Once you have done that, you will be able to sign in and connect to OneNote. So that's pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.